Hi and welcome back to My Favourite Voucher Codes. Black Friday is already upon us with the likes of Amazon and AO already releasing Black Friday deals. So if you had your eye on a new console, TV or Hoover, now might be the best time to buy it. We have done all the hard work bringing you the very best tech deals out there comparing Amazon, AO and Argos, so you know where to find the best deals for the best price. So starting off with the Samsung Galaxy A51. This model has a 6.5-inch Infinity O display with a quad camera, macro lens and ultra-wide display, perfect for close-up photography as well as expansive shots. We have found this for the best price on Amazon for only £264.98 on Prime delivery. Next we have the Apple Airpods. Apple very rarely discount their products, however with crystal clear sound and hands-free listening, the Airpods are sure to be in high demand this Black Friday. AO and Amazon both have these Airpods on sale at the moment, but Amazon comes in cheaper with them discounted from £159 down to £124.49 with a saving of 22%. The Ring Doorbell 3 is the third generation in video doorbells. With 1080p resolution and 160-degree viewing, you'll always know who's greeting you at the door. Amazon has the best deal on this smart doorbell with it down to £119 from £179, saving you £60. The Apple Macbook is another hot tech item that will be in high demand this Black Friday, as always. In particular, the new 2020 MacBook Air. This comes with a 13.3-inch Retina display, a backlit Magic Keyboard and Touch ID and Intel Core i3 processor. The best price that we have found for this is AO.com in the Black Friday sale for £920. AO are also offering £20 off Microsoft Office 365 when you buy this item with the code that you'll find in the description below. Get all of the power of a PC in the Samsung Tab S6 Wi-Fi tablet. With its slimline design you can carry it anywhere with you for portable creativity and 14 hours of battery life. Use the S Pen with Bluetooth connection for a range of remote tablet controls. You'll find the best price for this on Amazon, saving £120 with the original price at £619, now reduced to £499. Treat yourself to a proper barista coffee from the comfort of your own home with the Sage Duo Temp Pro Espresso coffee machine. Use the milk frother for a velvety finish on your coffee and heat your cup with the cup warmer for the perfect drinking temperature. We found it for exactly the same price at AO.com and Amazon, reduced to £299 from £379 at AO and £379.95 at Amazon. The Ninja Foodi electric multi-cooker is perfect for air frying, grilling, slow cooking and pressure cooking, all in one with a 6-litre capacity, so suitable for any dishes you want to cook. This does well in year-round sales, so will definitely be one to watch on Black Friday. The cheapest price we found for the multi-cooker is £149 on AO.com, down from its original price of £199. Black Friday is a favourite for those searching for a new discounted TV. This Samsung QLED TV is perfect for those looking for a larger 55-inch screen and has 8K resolution to revolutionise the way you watch films. As a smart TV you can use full voice control and an array of smart apps. We have found this model across Amazon, AO and Argos all at the same price of £1,499, reduced from £1,799. With the release of the new iPhone 12, you can expect some iPhone models from previous years to reduce in price this Black Friday. The iPhone 11 Pro has a sought-after 3-camera setup for telephoto and ultra-wide photos and videos. This model comes with Face ID for security and Apple Pay. The best place to buy this is Amazon, where you can get the 64GB storage version for only £869.98. This has been reduced by a massive £179 and 2p from its previous price of £1,049, so a definite Black Friday bargain. The Nintendo Switch is a must-have item, which is why it's commonly out of stock. It is available on its own or as a bundle deal with a range of popular games, so if you are looking to get your hands on one you need to act fast. With the possibility of multiplayer as well as single player and a range of accessories being released, the Switch has been highly popular since its release in 2017. You can find it at its cheapest at £278.48 on Amazon. Next up we have the Huawei Matebook laptop. This laptop has an impressive 10-hour battery life with full HD screen and lightweight feel, perfect for on-the-go use. It also comes with 8GB of RAM for smooth running and fingerprint recognition to log you in. Our cheapest price for the Macbook is on AO reduced to £499 from £699. Along with this purchase, you can also bag yourself some free Huawei FreeBuds. It is always a good idea during Black Friday to get a deal on a new vacuum cleaner, so we have found this Shark Anti-Hair Wrap Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This is a bagless cleaner that you can use between different surfaces without needing to change the settings or the heads. The brush rolls itself to stop the hair getting jammed, so you can get all of your cleaning done and dusted. We found Amazon to be selling it cheapest at only £199, reduced from £349.99. The Kenwood Chef Stand Mixer takes the hassle out of homemade cooking and baking. It comes with 3 accessories including a dough hook for breads and pastries and holds 4.6 litres. You can find the best price for this on AO and Amazon, both at £289. Another Black Friday item to watch are Beats headphones. The Studio 3 over-ear headphones offer noise cancelling for on-the-go listening, as well as hands-free Siri controls. Listen for 22 hours on one charge to stay connected to your music all day long. The best price that we have for these is on Amazon and AO, both coming in at £199. The Huawei Watch Fit Smart is a sophisticated piece of wearable tech with 50-meter water resistance, heart rate monitor, GPS positioning, workout companion, sleep monitoring and much more. Pair with your Android device to keep up to date with notifications. The best price we have found for this is on Argos, reduced to £99 from £119 for the medium-sized strap. Enjoy another piece of smart tech in the Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant. This is a voice-controlled alarm clock that you can tell to set your reminders and ask questions, as well as play music and connect to any other home smart devices that you have. Enjoy this for only £34 in the AO Black Friday sale. Get your next washing machine discounted this Black Friday with the LG J6 10kg washing machine. This machine has 10 kilograms of drum capacity, perfect for large families, and will keep all of your delicate garments safe with its 6-motion direct drive, which reacts to the fabrics that you put in the machine. AO's Black Friday price for this is £399. Next we have the Philips multi-room Bluetooth soundbar and wireless subwoofer. Philips is a very popular tech brand, so I would get your hands on this fast. This soundbar has 8 built-in Dolby speakers for the ultimate surround sound wherever you are watching. The best price we have found for it is on AO.com for £169, reduced from £269. Shop the Hisense American fridge freezer with a massive 29 shopping bag capacity, perfect for large families. It comes equipped with a water and ice dispenser, home bar and CleverTech to stop ice build-up. Save £150 on this on AO.com at £699. Lastly, we recommend the Philips wireless speaker. This has up to 20 hours of music playtime and is built for the outdoors with the IPX7 water resistance, so perfect for on the go. Connect to 2 speakers to get perfect left and right sound. We have found the best price for this speaker to be on Amazon, with theirs being only £98.96 this Black Friday. We hope you have a great Black Friday and get all the bargains you wanted. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below and leave us a comment telling us what items you've got your eye on this year. Please make sure to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all of our seasonal offers.